Hello and welcome to My Alberta Art Studio. Today I'm going to be doing a ring pour, or sorry, not a ring pour, a straight pour. It may not be straight, might turn into a ring. We don't know yet. I haven't done this before, but it can come up with pretty neat patterns, and so we're going to give it a whirl. I also wish to thank my sister-in-law Barb for finding my marbles for me. In fact, she not only found my marbles, but I think she found somebody else's because she got 2 bags of these things. And she also bought me some little cups, which is very nice of her. And so I'm going to dedicate this one to her for all her help. Anyway, I'm going to put down a white base coat. And put a bunch of dried paint all over the place because, you know, that's significant. There we go. All right, so I'm going to put a base coat down. Not a big one, just a little one. Fairly thick paint. There we go. And while that's settling down, I'll be filling my cup. So I'm not going to talk during this time because likely I'll be Well, I'm going to try this right now, even though I don't think I have enough paint. But I did have a good base coat down. So what you do with a straight pour is if you start from high and then you work your way down as it's coming out of the cup. I have a second cup in case I need it. I'm not sure which hand I should use. I might try the left one. It's steadier than the right, but today it's not that steady either. So just going to start up here, and I'm just going to start dripping it down and then coming in. Now this straight pour is going to be a wiggle pour because I wiggle, but that's okay because, you know, it could be my own style. I seem to have a lot of red in this. It's not my intention, but we'll see. Maybe I should have used my right hand. It's shakier. Might have got a better wiggle. This is me trying to keep it steady. Yeah! Not working out too well here. Okay. There we go. All right, well, it does look interesting. I'm going to throw more base coat around it, and then some other debris that I don't know where it came from. I did level my canvas, but it doesn't look like I did. We'll move this back a bit. Might be the momentum of all the paint that I just put on there. I'm just going to put a puddle around, which is going to be way more than I need, but I guess I'll have to make more base paint, and then I'll put it on the have wax paper under this, just to catch the paint, and maybe I'll do something with it. I don't know. I guess I didn't bring a paddle out. I'll have to use something bigger then. This is going to be fun. Ain't old age grand? Probably, I'm spilling it everywhere. I don't want to do that. I'm going to put some over here because I don't want to lose all that. Okay. I might have enough paint. I'll just use some. Must not clean this very good. Okay. Might as well christen my camera stand while I'm there. Okay. I'm going to blow some bubbles out, pop some bubbles, and then I'm going to put it on my spinner just so I can spin the design out a little more. I'm not going to put the puppy pool up because that's going to take way too long. All right. Now, first I have to move the painting somewhere. I don't have a lot of room in this table and this office, or studio, I guess. But that's why my table's so congested. I don't know if you can see that, but I think I'll put this down, this on here, like that, and then put this up here. And oh, good, the feet are that I have underneath the painting are holding it on the turner. So, oh, lost my marbles. Okay, I'm going to give this a light spin. The operative word is light, I think. That might be too light. Oh. Oh, don't go on the floor. Just hang on a sec. I'm going to bring it over a little bit more that way. The further I put it out there, the more the paint goes this way. Well, I can tilt the rest. Okay, now that I have a soaking wet painting and a soaking wet I'll just put it here. Ah. I need a bigger table. Okay. I somehow got white in the middle of it. But now that I have it in there, I guess it's going to stay. Might even make it better. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to tilt it a bit. I'm just going to cover the corners here with the white. I don't know how much other I got. I got a big bubble in the middle, or over the middle of the canvas in the back there. So I'll get rid of that. And any other bubbles. I guess that comes from shaking too much when I'm putting the paint down. I don't know. Paint's been mixed for some time, so it probably wasn't from that cause. Okay, so I'm just going to stretch this a little bit this way. I could have done it on the turntable, but it would have been better in the puppy pool rather than just on here, because it got all over the place. I'm going to be doing some cleanup afterwards. More so. It's kind of a nice design. I'm just going to run that corner off there. There we go. Okay. I don't know what you can see or not, but I'll figure it out when I edit. Okay. Now we'll pull this back. And we'll go down there. I like the negative space in there. I'll be keeping some of that too. It's actually kind of nice. It's just a little uneven. Oh, yeah, of course. Then I stick my finger in it. I'll have to run that off. I was trying to get the base paint layered. I mean, flattened. But that's all right. And that white paint still there. That's all right. What I do with my garbage can? Oh, there it is. My goodness sakes. Well, I'll give it another torch, and then I'll bring you in with my above camera. I don't know if that's something in it, or I don't want to burn it, which I did once. Oh, my goodness sake. Could have used blue. Okay. I'll get my gloves off and I'll bring you in a little closer. If it doesn't work or I jiggle it too much, you may have to, might have to take still pictures of it instead. But we'll see. I'm just going to clean my hands before I touch my camera. Okay. Now, I'll bring it right down. Now it does have a zoom on it. Just have to find it. There we go. That's that corner there. I'll let go and then it'll be stiller. And then I'll move it over into this area. So it's got some interesting movement in it. I wonder why. And this, let's see, where are we here? I don't know if this will autofocus or not right now because I have a microphone thingy on the back of it. It doesn't go down quite as far. That's the picture. Looks not too bad. It's got lots of interesting movement in it and that. And see if you can find any animals in there. I seem to be good at it, but I can't see them myself. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Have a wonderful day, and God bless to you and your families. And I'll say bye-bye for now. Take care.